Good morning, dear students. Standard 5, Subject EVS, Chapter 3rd. A story, a stomach with a window. In the poem, you read about a soldier called Martin in 1822. He was 18 years old and was very healthy. When he was out, he got seriously hurt. At that time, Dr. Beaumont was called to treat him. Dr. Beaumont cleaned the wound and put the dressing. After 1.5 years, the doctor found that Martin's wound had healed except for one thing. He had a big hole in his stomach. The hole was covered with a loose flap of skin, like the washer in a football. Press the skin and you could peep into Martin's stomach. Not only that, the doctor would also take out food from the stomach by putting a tube in the hole. Dr. Beaumont felt he had found a treasure. Can you guess how much time he spent on doing different experiments on this stomach? 9 years. During this time, Martin grew up and got married. यहाँ पे एक स्टोरी है, जो शोल्डर है उनको लग जाती है, तो जब वो डॉक्टर के पास जाता है उसके स्टमक में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है और डॉक्टर जो है वो उनका इलाज करते हैं. वो 18 ईयर का यंग मैन होता है, तो ये डॉक्टर है उनका इलाज कर रहा है. एक स्टोरी है अच्छी वाली. नेक्स्ट. At that time, scientists did not know how food was distant. How does the liquid in the stomach help? Does it only help in making the food wet and soft, or does it also help in digestion? तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन है कि क्या ऐसा पहले ऐसा था या नहीं, ऐसा सोचा या नहीं, या फूड ऐसे मिल रहा था या नहीं. तो स्टमक के देख रहे हैं आप, एक पिक्चर देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे. डॉक्टर Beaumont टुक सम लिक्विड आउट ऑफ द स्टमक. डॉक्टर ने क्या करा, डॉक्टर ने ये किया कि जो स्टमक में बहुत सारा लिक्विड था वो बाहर निकाल दिया. He wanted to see what would happen to a food item kept in a glass filled with it. और क्या किया है वो भी देख रहे हैं कि उसमें क्या मिला है. जैसे कि आप बहुत सारे सीरियल में देखा होगा कि शरीर में जहर फैल गया है, तो कैसे फैला, किस तरह फैला, कौन सा जहर, वो डिटेक्टिव जो फाइंड करते हैं इन्वेस्टिगेशन में, तो वही ऐसी ही बात यहाँ पे है. Would it get distant on its own? For this he did an experiment with the help of a tube. He took out some distinct juice from the stomach. At 8:30 am he put 20 tiny pieces of boiled fish in 10 milliliters of the juice. तो आप देख सकते हैं कितने सारे मिले हैं पीस. He kept the glass at the same temperature as that of our stomach, about 30 Celsius. When he checked at 2 p.m., he found that the piece of fish had dissolved. बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम होगी, बाद में वो सॉल्व हो गई प्रॉब्लम. डॉक्टर Beaumont tried this experiment with different food items. He gave Martin the same food at the same time and then compared how long it took for food to be digested in the glass and in Martin's stomach. He recorded his observation in a table. तो फिर ऑब्जर्व किया उन्होंने कि कैसे हुआ, किस तरह हुआ. ये सारे के सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट किए हुए हैं डॉक्टर ने और पेशेंट ने. Here is a part of his observation table. ये ऑब्जर्वेशन टेबल आप देख सकते हैं कि हम कभी मिल्क और बटर मिल्क दोनों साथ नहीं खा सकते क्योंकि उनसे हमें साइड इफेक्ट होते. तो ये देखते हैं पार्ट फूड आइटम के। अनबॉइल्ड मिल्क 2 hours and 50 minutes. The glass with juice 4 hours 45 minutes. Boiled milk 2 hours 4 and in the glass 4 hours 50 minutes. Full boiled egg 3 hours 30 minutes and in the glass 8 hours. Half boiled egg 3 hours and in the glass 6 hours 30 minutes. Raw egg beaten 2 hours 4 hours 50 minutes. Raw egg 1 hour 30 minutes 4 hours in the glass. Okay? तो ये पार्ट था ऑब्जर्वेशन का। तो नेक्स्ट, सो व्हाट डज आवर स्टमक डू, अपने स्टमक के साथ क्या होगा। डॉक्टर बेमोंट डिड मैनी एक्सपेरिमेंट एंड फाउंड आउट मैनी सीक्रेट्स अबाउट digestions. He found that food digests faster in the stomach than outside. Did you notice this in the table? Have you noticed के इस टेबल में देखा? Our stomach churns the food to digest it. The doctor also saw that the food did not digest properly when Martin was said. He also found that the juice in our stomach is acidic. Have you heard of anyone talking about acidity? ये आपने कहीं ना कहीं घर में आपने सुना ही होगा, especially when that person has not eaten well or the food is not tasted properly. जो अच्छी तरह फूड नहीं ले रहा है उन्हें ऐसी प्रॉब्लम होती रहती है। नेक्स्ट, डॉक्टर प्यूमंट्स experiments became famous across the world. After this, many scientists did many such experiments. What did you say? No, they did not shoot people in the stomach, nor did they wait for a patient with a hole in the stomach. They used other scientific ways to take inside our bodies. Did you like the story of Martin, or should we say the story of our own stomach? आप ऐसे पढ़ सकते हैं कि स्टोरी हो या ना हो। थैंक यू।